Hey there, everybody. Continuing on with Chapter 9, we are doing the non-narrative type chapters here again, where we aren't necessarily telling one cohesive story over the course of an entire chapter, but rather what we're doing is taking little pieces of breadcrumbs that we've left along the way, picking those up, and kind of reformatting them in a way that now that we've seen how they function, hopefully that we can deploy them in ways that make a little bit more sense, and hopefully in ways that you'll be able to deploy with a lot more granular use later on down the line. So, in Chapter 9, we are going to look at 9.1, wrapper classes. You'll remember that from Chapter 8. We are going to look at character testing with the character class. We're going to look at some more string methods. We're going to look at string builder. That's actually going to be one of the most perplexing pieces of this chapter, so we'll spend a little bit more time with it. We'll look at tokenizing strings, wrapper classes, and numeric data types. We will, one more time, we'll take a look at the diamond operator that you may or may not remember from a previous chapter. And all along the way, we are going to build on the notion of what happens in the background as Java is in its virtual machine, as we are experiencing the runtime environment. And we'll look at some of these considerations that here in our class we won't necessarily be able to push the limits of Java, but here we'll see what we can do down the road to really improve the performance of our applications.